So what you're gonna want to do is completely ignore the fact that it needs cam bearings, and then you're gonna put the cam in it. You don't want the lobe to touch the cam bearings. Just walk it in there nice and steady. Okay. Okay.
I'm pretty sure that one touched.
No, it's okay. It's good for the cam bearings. Can you grab the hammer? Just kidding. Just kidding. Oh, she's getting a little snaked in there. Let's see if we can get a view of where we're getting caught up there.
Oh.